We're gonna make crock-pot creamy beef and noodles. We're gonna start with 2 pounds of beef stew meat. Throw it in the bottom there. Then we're gonna add in about 10.5 ounces of beef broth. And pour over our beef meat. Add in 1 can of cream of mushroom. Scrape that thing out. There. As well as a can of French onion soup. Pour that over the top. That's scraped out. And finally, a packet of onion soup mix. Get all that lightly stirred together. All right, once you got that lightly stirred together, we're gonna put our lid on. We're gonna put it on high for 4 to 5 hours. All right, once you've had it cooking on high for 4 to 5 hours, have a couple of more very important parts. We're gonna put 1 block of cream cheese into here. You want to go ahead and get it stirred in until it's nice and melted. Look how all that beef is nice and cooked and tender now. Once you have your cream cheese nice and melted in there, we're going to add our final ingredient, 12 ounces of egg noodles that I cooked. I'm going to throw all those in there and just get them nice and stirred in. All right, y'all, I think it's time to try this thing. Oh man, this is gonna be great also once fall starts. Make sure and get that beef in there. Y'all, this is a must-try crock-pot recipe. I am not even playing with you. It's so easy, so simple. Oh my goodness, this is tasty. I am not playing. I'm not just saying it. I promise. If you try this at home, you will see what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh.